Hello, learners. I'm Ulysses Roman, and welcome to Microsoft Excel Tips Importing Tables from PDF. Let's begin learning. So as you can see over here on the left-hand side, I have a PDF file that has some tables with useful information. And I wanted to copy and paste this particular table into Excel, but when we do the traditional way of copy and pasting, as you can see, it doesn't take the format of the table. So I'm going to show you an easy way within Excel to actually import this table directly from a PDF into Excel. So the first thing you want to do in your Excel file is go to your Data tab. Then you're going to go to Get Data from File and then from PDF. Then you're going to find the PDF file that has the data that you want to import. In this case, it's just my sample data. I'm going to import it, wait until this window pops up, and it's going to have a whole list of tables within that document. So I'm just going to scroll down this whole list to find the table that I want to import. In this case, it's going to be table 4. So as you can see on the left-hand side, it's the same table. The next step I'm going to do is just load the table into Excel. And before you know it, Excel has imported the table directly from a PDF file. There is, some minor formatting, but in this case, it's an easy fix. Over here, it's just wrapping the text. So all you're going to do is just go to your home tab, hit wrap text, and yeah, there you go. It's that simple. So I recommend you trying it out. For more Excel resources and video content, please visit my website at ulyssesroman.com.